Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mothers would practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. Today, I've got another airplane, but this one is kind of interesting. I had never seen it before until I got it. This was actually sent to me by my brother-in-law. He was back east, came across a yard sale that had several model kits, and he thought, oh heck, I'll pick them up and send them, and sure enough, so I'm very grateful for that. These are going to be perfect, by the way, for me to build with little Finley or some of the other grandkids. And this particular one is the Airfix F-16 AB Fighting Falcon, the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum edition. How about that? And it's in 1/72nd scale. Now the old KB Toy and Hobby sticker, $11.99 slashed down to $6.99. Wow! Oh, you guys remember those days, huh? Here on the back, it shows some of the others that were in that series, which is kind of neat. And includes the high quality Humbrol acrylics and some glue. So hey, how about that? We'll see if it's actually still in here. But let's go ahead and open this up, which I have not done yet. Other than I did look in it to see that yes, there was a bag, so okay, must be all there. There's the instructions. Dear customer, this item has passed a quality control inspection. If you find a problem with this set, please write to us at the following or call, and it has a phone number. Pretty cool. It looks like here's the accessory set. Yeah, so this is one of those kind of fun ones for a kid. Oh yeah, it's all there. As soon as I get the okay, looks like I got everything. Oh, except for the decals. The decals are way down there. Way down there. Okay, now we got them. Okay, there we go. All right, so first off, it comes with this little set here. The Humbrol blue. And do not inhale flammable vapor, harmful. Oh good, I can't wait to smell that. This little thing here. So, and some nice gray colors for the aircraft. Do a Hill 2 scheme, I suppose. And then here is the instructions. All-in-one model kit. 1998 Smithsonian. Okay, so that's the copyright 1998. Some color stuff here, some history, but building the A or building the B. It's like putting just some of the parts on the fuselage, the wings on, tail planes. Pretty simple build. If you're doing the gear down, of course, here's the gear, and then some smart bombs. Looks like a no, that's not a Maverick. What is that? Anyway, more bombs, and a designator pod. So yeah, you got quite the variety of loadouts that you can put on this, which is pretty neat. And I guess the last thing is putting the tail on. And here is the decaling instructions. And yes, a bird from the 388th, the hill. Pretty cool. So, nice. Very nice. Now, I am going to open up the plastic because it is still in the plastic. Yes, Gypsy, I hear you. Trying to let me know that there's people lurking. Just put a thing in there. Oh. The screws are connected. Okay. So first off, here is the fuselage. 2 pilots. Some of the ordnance. And no flash, just a nice, clean, crisp. Very nice. Little 72nd scale. And here's your wings, designator pod, some more of the ordnance. And the bottom part of the fuselage, the tail is falling off. So I'll hold that. Gear, more of the ordnance. So not a lot to the plastic, you know, it's 72nd scale. Be actually pretty nice to build with one of the grandkids, like I said. And here is the clear parts, the single and the dual canopy. So, yay! This looks like it's going to be a fun little project. And one last thing is those decals. Let's take a look at those. And here's the decals. So, yeah, this will be a fun one to do. Now, with the airplanes, and I'm going to throw out a shameless plug here, particularly the aircraft, but some of the other things, keep in mind that one of the things I am doing these days with KitLinks is we are producing busts in quarter scale of aviators and other, you know, famous military people. And I'm going to show you guys one of the ones that was very appropriate for the F-16. So that's kind of the idea, is you buy a kit of a certain aircraft or whatever, and if you want, it'd be nice to have an option to get a bust of the pilot, you know, that flew it, or something to that effect. Well, F-16, okay. I decided, now these are minis, these are the proofs, these aren't the full-size, you know, quarter scale that we're doing, but this guy here, yes, an F-16 pilot, lieutenant colonel at the time, and this lady right here. Those of you who might know these two, Heather Penny, or Lucky Penny as her call sign is, and Mark Sasserville. It's always a hard one for me to say. But he finished his career as a 3-star general. These two were the ones on 9/11 that were assigned to bring down Flight 93. When it was determined that it was headed back towards the Capitol, probably a hostile intent, they had no weapons on board. They were on a training mission, just coming back, grabbed a little bit of fuel, got airborne again, had no ordnance at all, no weapons. And their task was to bring down the airliner however they could. Meaning ramming an aircraft full of passengers to bring it down so that it didn't do something like the Capitol or White House or whatever its target would have been. Fortunately, or for them, the aircraft went down before they got on station, got close enough to where they were going to intercept it. It was already down. So, thought it would be fun to do those two guys. And now, whichever one of my grandkids gets to build this, they'll also get the bus to go with it, which is kind of cool. So they'll learn a little bit of history as well. So there you go, folks. That is today's Kit Hoarder stash. Again, thanks to my brother-in-law for sending me that from, oh man, it was Maine or New Hampshire. I can't remember where he was exactly when he ran into this. So we'll see you guys next week on the stash. Thanks for joining us.